Hello investors, good early morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is the Morning Stir Market and Resource Rundown for Monday, August 20th. The asset markets continue to power higher last week with stocks finishing positive for the sixth consecutive weekly gain. The major indexes, the S&P and the Dow, are right near the 2012 closing highs from earlier this year. The E-mini S&P was up 2 points on Friday, but had an extremely tight 6-point trading range from the high to the low. That broad market barometer was up nearly 1% on the week and has rallied 100 points, well almost 100 points, from 1321 July 25th, less than a month ago. The Nasdaq has led the way, ending the July 17th week almost 2% higher for that gain. Crude also finished higher again Friday, up 40 cents a barrel, closed above the $96 a barrel level, 3-month highs. Oil finished up $3.15 on the week, which is about a 3% gain. Gold remains pretty unmoved, which was only up 20 cents on Friday, nearly unchanged, down $3.40 on the week. The low for the last 5 sessions was $15.92 with the highs at $16.28, so you can see it's kind of consolidating here. Long-term treasuries were again the big news. They bounced a modest 9 ticks higher on Friday to finish with more downside losses on the week, down 3 full basis points. The key reversal July 25th marks a top, and the 30-year yield has gained more than half a percentage point to approach 3% for the first time since the beginning of May. The yield on the 10-year note jumped 9% last week to finish above 1.8%. So where do the markets stand to begin the morning Monday here to start the new week? The euro currency is kind of holding steady right now with the dollar, and last week it tested the 124 level a couple of times and has remained below that. The European stock 600 index is up 0.1% this morning after posting gains for the 11th consecutive week. We've got a little bit of bond action here overnight. Bonds overnight have taken out the lows from last week under 145.5, with yields approaching that 3% we've talked about. This level is the halfway recovery of the March to August run to Treasury safety. The yield on that 10-year is at 1.84%. Gold's down about $2 at $16.17, overnight highs at $16.22. $16.30 remains a resistance of above. The major action in platinum last week has slowed. We had that mine strike in South Africa and the ramifications with that, but right now that market is quiet. Crude's coming in unchanged this morning, but holding the $96 level. The rally from reversal lows on June 29th has seen a 20% run in just a few short weeks. So as we get started here this Monday morning, the E-mini S&P is sitting down 1 point at 1414. The highs Friday at 1416 above hold back the market, and then we'll see if it can attack these multi-year highs at 1422 again. Dow futures are down 12 with an hour to go before the stock market open. So to wrap up the morning here, gold's down $3, crude's unchanged, the dollar's steady, interest rates are up, and the stock futures are modestly lower right now, with the E-mini S&P down 1 point at 1414 and the Dow futures here at the CME Group down 12 points. Please visit our sponsors for more information on commodities, futures, and commodity options. I'll see you early Tuesday morning for the stir in the markets to set up your trading day. From the CME Group trading floor, it all comes back to commodities.